woni papa untimina woni mania untimina edikan dia no edi mu ndi nyansa na entupu mawo mu it feel my life they were saying clean ndi nyansa say so ba ne be senu se be be senu bia ntimi senu bia timi ko bia holiday di ama kwan bi wa kwa spending days di wa ba e be bua man kwan so ni e dey etimi age na ayen ko sama nkwa no nyame onshawo
so fa evangelist nyame enka ho saade ne de I think say e was say e man mema ina no ye ma ya adwene mu bie e wo ho. Hello, good morning. Okay, onye ready so be kasa mu nyini fiso na mo ma me fofo me pa cho frame na yenko 26 minutes after 6 a.m. Our jaya by was say affecting kra no ana. Hello, good morning. Oh, abapa mane so mendole yenko mane so. Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Me pa cho dini baby aframe fi. Bacho yintiwe.
Bacho aisha wa mtu na pesa.
Bacho ma yintiwe.
Bacho na wanza bia wale ha ana yintiwe. Wale ni kazi ya bia na wabanza obia oye bia aka obia on time that is treating about once and the new deal in fact I don't know which mistakes are going to mean and I want the other and I start here really and cause our man life is easy how you guys are going so come on down and we say I'm glad that you know
alright CP I think so no dey one back the medicine na me bisa say awarija ba enkra wo mu a e wo say affect wo mu na wadaroma but that's also good and then come I be dinner na so do adwencha ba so fast. Well, hello, good morning. Oh, hello, good morning. Me ba cho good morning. Okay, ima munyine mfiso mami na onye ready otie ne ho e o TV Samsung M1 so frame ya na wotie ho e wo telephone mu not on your TV because we say e kasa no say tie ho dia wo kasa we no hear you. Why me pa cho bebre your lines no and that screen so me fa na good morning Pacho Dini baby. Good morning Pacho Dini baby afre me free.
Pacho, look at the free Accra, no house.
Alright, my darling, Pacho inti wano pay.
It's a Sienna. You know, when you're the give card because you should know problem, similar problem there. Between money and local.
Okay.
You divorce a court. Na you divorce any Germany. I prefer it upper conditioner on some colony without in Java. Hammy, the colony so all the time in Hama or even land born crown 4 years. It's a colony. But
Bema no wole ne wo a o ma Ghana me ene hu mani biada
ya wari no in first born second born 4 years from now.
Okay, enti no so person odi omoko a ade na won si cross no for monko no monko ye na da chi bi o ma be he o
a very media so comment media marco but many side no o keep me on my car can court now you chicken at least listening for
okay
na the problem no ibi endia manta na de chine ntimi ankwa ntuma ende because because on kola no na on jame ibi ni na obede me ya problem what divorce ya come okay.
Well, I understand, but Memao, I don't know, but my Memao this bold advice. Share you any mano, money my fan and crown on call. And I also know, so me jame, me yaman kawaba no be jame, nanka, we are no. So you've decided say woman be jame, oba so now with you, minimum, dog and movie on. Moving on, upon when you bema fufu na one no, na one ne kwa, na one ne ko, okay? When you bema fufu na so dowa, master, mommy, what now 10 years to man na to na babrewa. Forget about him. Obeba won say papa, mpacho won send you ma ware fufu. Enti fa won sako. The moment obeti se when you bema kra na ni movie on kra no. Onu akra no onu aba bejele so onye ne san kra. Mommy, move on. That's the bold advice I will give to you. The money the manema for monko now on haro that your munye no mehel. Ote, Didi, look good, step out, look for a man, carry on with your life. Alright? That's what I will tell you this morning. Yankopon Esau, area from Nindin Komo. Obeji Messi and I will be jamming. I'm in your dreams. Me pack watch evangelist feminine. Me pack or last column. Now me my evangelist Koowaa. Now you more era and seminar. Obi my idea. Me fako baby. That's the bold decision I have said to you this morning. Why worry me? When divorce me. Once I woman. Obe fan krana kwa dia. Me see me cross. Me tell be fan back kwa butcher. Ade na manage perform go and take good care of them for me. They will come and look for their mother one day. Pacho what I say. It's mom fan chronicle. Move on your life. Make us say oh you're so nice. Won fe. No be so abuchi boge bi ajiwe si won wa mana osiwo. Enu ti wan na. Oh madam ma honye fe na tisi abontone. Tisi obi po den no so na atwe no. Move on your life. Baba, machi. Na me hu se me kasa na o hemenim na hoye
nyame adom na won so
Yankopon adom. Before I know it's all the motivation beba like we always do, but I want to ask you this before what the motivation about sister yasema o kan na futu am de ma what would you say about it?
Yo medase me the motivation no be sha se near the year no na e ko ensem so
Okay. All right.
Ene me pese ye hwe adie bi. So Genesis 3:19 or say by the sweat of your face you shall eat bread till you return to the ground, for out of it you were taken, and for you are dust, and to dust you shall return.
Sure.
Oko 2 Thessalonians 3:10 and 1 Thessalonians 4:11 na menye 4:11 and come on. 1 Thessalonians 4:11 or say, and to aspire to live quietly and to mind your own affairs and to work with your hands as we instructed you. And with all the three scriptures, you know, the me person make a year say a who be near say yenina will be a be adwuma and a yen sha nyankopon and the ashame newo. And I no pay minim time I was sorry, but minim say was sorry very early. Me sorry for because I have to be here. Aye, ye drumanti. Nyankopon bo nipa no or say yemfa yensa enye adwuma. Na mre no so a ye nyina ye beko yensa manchi. Enti niama hu ne say Ghana mbabunu enye akwadwefo. Ghana mbabunu epe adwuma because ye mu bi ye tutu akwan akokọ amanone ne ade ye ko hunu endwuma Ghana mbabunu eye no ho a I swear to God, I tell you, the youth of this country are not lazy. Amachi na mehwe video bi abranti oye Ghana ni otwi track ewo abrochire na snow atone ade car no kura ba bi esi no snow afa ho nyina ontumi move ena yedin fidie ni ade prase ne other tracks ne ono so beko ena me say wow hwe endwuma mbabunu ye enti ye nyina ye pɛ adwuma but ye te ɔman mu a ya ye nhwɛ han ama enoma bebree akɔ akyew yenya aban bi a waba ne policy first
Reverend.
Yes,
we haven't gotten there. Maybe some question, but when you know,
Yangu banks in this anoma, and then a mabuna omo abemwabu may be share won't cry. All hope is not lost. Meaning, pass o pia dia so ne se onya obey free of mine. Nanso me country on say, Memo wa bemumu. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say or the 24-hour economy. Abroche no mo no ebi ko adwuma nadwo ebi beba fie ahmachi ebi beko dey ni ade eno nti na amahwe wiase nyina ye nyina ye ko abroche enso still ndwuma wo ho nti o man ga na yesu ye betumi aye bi wo ha
okay
emebunu no nso wonda achi ebesi ye medase
all right
Sebeya minua be home no free actually
what we mane mana kwaba evangelist Richard Pra na yetineka no mira kwentwi ono so atnase oye Ashanti Regional Communication Team member for the MPP mira kwaba na what to say edanyame ase na me hwe wani mu anyame adom odwa bidru ye December ni mu ye bedi bronya nesa mbro ya de na metwa age o ye da nyankopon kuba sese na me ho se nkofo di bronya na me se nkofo 6 can wati ko mu ni bronya so they are really going up and down part mu say o mu di bronya no
Wow.
And now macro my visa.
Well, it's phrase it as so fast we don't know.
Well, before now the na me discussion be na me be say our rejaya ba e was say affect ye manana because obi o ha oni oba ware na say our rejaya ba o si o mema enkra ne nkom papa ho because of be man akofa oba afofo me just 2 or 3 minutes be na waka ho asem obi so me mom nko ma me ho ma je nkra no eni ade eno sa na ya na eboa ana asemmoa
me da se amenchia anwere ma wajebre ehwe
great
na mom hwe TV so ni social media and Facebook ni bibia mom mo so mo hwe na me watching
my just so me
yeah you keep on shining.
Thank you.
Imagine so actually. Na simple question na busana na okasa na dan ko ho asemi na eba mu.
Dan, let's say be correct no. I feel say asema o kan ye no. Emfa ne kwam.
Mbacha de wakaboni.
O say simple question na wo bisa me na me de akoni na me.
Bisa wanyia no.
Wo bisa me catch you say me ma me motivation me wia maba asem no so.
Motivation na akofo do huni.
Mere kwentwi mpacho mo.
Enti na me to aso no. The purpose ewo aware. Any the purpose say nyakopon ma no.
Okay.
Enyepe. Enti whatever happen, let's say waware egu a. Asade a also ye say echa.
Okay.
Also ye ma o ma. So they can say,
okay.
Me ade ba kwa da bia me bom ready mpaye ne say omwa me na da bia zem o 2 boys some boys 3 anye bi kura so o man bia nka mo 2 na they was me timi ye ma o so ye this one say Yankopon don wo ma so di na o de ama wo because ntina wo ye ja o ye abusua no eti no eye ade a Yankopon na mo so e de hira amofa no. It is a one to me, near the also your mamma fano. Most especially said Boapayo, say, Obano, Menina Gianti, Niway intimation and Madia. Oh, so dear, this will be a Yamintinim, only in Christo.
Okay.
No name, dear, Bible, Kafa, I'm a friend to tear. And intina, so shall Obia 1 year a Japano. So then, Nere, a Jaya, and I saw what you go. I'm a fan of Bassa. It sounds as a one no
a nya sa nya mesro no mu a hu se mofa no de eye meme de a
no trauma ji
yes na ade ba kwa me pese enu no mo tie nyina ahye no so ne se ewiase yen kan se ye kwa edin
sa
ahwe se oba no owo akla ne mane akla na
ade nte de bia na mema no
na emu ye kwa edin ne hwe se be ma no na ba no because ye no muja
exactly
na ya mofra
exactly
bible catch say oba enwo be ma na ye wo dum a nyankopon dum dum ye ne se ye de abofra be kura mo yafun na mo ahwe na nyankopon nam so ahwe na ma na nyine na wabasa ase so enti ye ne mema ne ye wo enti na ye agya wa said say wo hwe
ba all right
and enti na ye abibifoi obeko abusuani bia wi Ghana ha kwa obeko abusuani bia na tribe ni bia agya no omudi agyade no because na akwara na ndi ato wo a also nti be bia say say wo shoba ena ye musuo say wo ba woni be ma agyai ebikura na say wo na difo say be ma na difo wo say akwara be honfo ho enti ma agye me ba me ma akwara na nkono wana wo ye akwara no
great
say akwara na nya agya no do wo mu a
okay now omotimi ko baby all right beautiful ele your topic aye share na anope say na wo na wodi nkan wakasa last no me boy ra your topic mu straight away na maybe say what is say Aisha one ya jere no 4 years me pacho enkrofo ke ko mo say 4 years in there I see sorry because na dan ko kufado na bye no na wase say no mama sebie so sebie nyato ama sentence no entimi anye bebre like 15 years imprisonment 10 years or 20 years because in him say such bonedi deserve more sentence into a man for see David we dey see sorry do
na politics in the
the rem
national secretary national organizer national chairman and the other person before national secretary na chairman na man na another dan ko forward na ma chairman be ewura Alhaji Dr. I am prayer no can say ukra MPP Frankasia e kwa kwa my brigade so that be American was say 8 be brigade the more kind of joint be issue channel ground so ni na 00 ni na brigade
ko as a wujidi fa
oh nti no na area ba umia e bi kwa my no ko ni dia MPP for NDC for so this is no can say I say be no more evangelist baka ha on more area ba umia e ko so mna sa akwa no so yes anya and this position omo du mo bia so bata aton eh fa so mo party government mo private ya no to the program on a witness jabo so me chao
my channel so
Robert Febe no program kwa no mama naba
mpacho medasi
da no ne kano sisi a ya mtie ayedin kakrama mi o say court nsem de ya na ne kano aye bibi ni ho most especially me nya judgment ni bi enkaye na I don't tell it me tire ewo emra ne say obi eto samra na o say ejeri no for 15 years sa pepe na emra ne esi dan obi betime akowia aponche me wia aponche emra ne say obi awia aponche the sentence say na ose court ye man ebia me baaye no me ne ya meye o court wo ene nhu a menya no ni poster no e judge so ni pay de woni say no an kwasa ka me twena so say de na emum subaya wadan na di amma hu said the rumors were show say adeno kra no e ha no say abasa ni sentence no matiso wow etimisi esamani ye enti na mka say me nya judgment me gan so it could happen say
basa what
dia mate judge no ebe mano reasons ntia one man sa maximum sentence no man 4 years esa a man 2 years ka is it 48,000 or something me no me de say abanasa because ashan wan abaye Ghana for asodie kese pa because wo hwe NDC bra obowura Ghana na onya akwanya de ba Ghana ha e ba ne dwuma di obedi ye so wo tietie mu kra na onna obe introduce sa ayi excavator man ni ade to say tuba oda na di Ghana ha enya de to etimi ono timi woda ma ayibo ni Ghana ni to Ghana ni sabio Ghana ni etimi Ghana ni timi ka chocho komunia no wo shoot no enam skanti enti obeye powerful e wo Ghana ha na say ne ho asem ka no dia na ene na mrebi yewura osafoma kan ya na Ghana for NDC for so mu ye yentiase okay international relationship and a relational ya na atemi ba ne ka no aye kana ya sanse wo bi a wonne wo ayonkofa most especially oboawo wo kwan bebre so na ne de hyeba na se bitunu sa ya na ne ka no kana ai se obi a wonne no wo ayonkofa na ne ba bi ana se nwa bi atia wo times e de ani to so ne pasumasi se ni pasumasi dia ka sme ni se ya enti no so ya na ma asem ne ka no de but enne anya court edin na asifom a sentence ashan wan ya okodam even 4 years nya adeketo obi a baba said o city o tene uti ni sense no hwe ni history na so very powerful pa na obeshe Ghana prison enya broche prison Ghana na mpaya na me bonze yede ni behye ba bia ye nua ma no omo ye bone ye do mo hye ni bi na enkoye se oye ashan wanti ye man special treatment nti wo se asotwe bi a anansusuanso bi e wo ye Ghana ai ye prisons o se ono so nya sa ansusuanso ni bi na o de connect signal ema ada Chinese na omo ha omo ye nema ense emfata no aban aye na adwen se obi biara a obesoro atia sa gam say ye say ye aban ne bo ho ban say ye emfan say ye enamra kwam no ye nyemfan say ye oman no adwapade na ye sas no obi a obeye sa ne man bia obetwe waso mpo asane signal ma ye nia ye nkrofo a omo free hase okay say mra ne bowa asotwe na o say said fatal ya de ebe maw aje a hadwen esanse so wo hwe enya sa ganam se yedi enya de pa na na ya me ya se eduba bia na sa da ye politics ama ne kono ayede because obenya NDC for a mbe site public na against aban wote so e de ensa threaten aban crop so twantro ni ade a so muye intapasa ma obi na ono no ate wono enya hoden se o aban ni crop kwa ye nti wasa me so me de me ye bi ana aban crop nso o moye no nso no eno nso etia ngwase a omode ma aban no esanse wo aban na wanya opepan se ade ne presidency because na that don't go catch say simple if it takes him to lose his seat as a president no to me fight against illegal miner ope this any party me na kunya sabio to chacha se ya eche se akoma pa ne opepan wo se sa o haw no otimi free on na wo so ete ye wo wase de se o so obo aban na otimi na emu se won so fa kwanti kwa na se won so ye bia emma adese nso ahoden se e wo so mo so me de tekotia mimom de me ni evidence bia se de me hu se aban nipa bi etubi but entity ene anya ne se de ebi mu keka no sa ebi na me so me pese me ka no se te sa de a e yo hawa etia aban koma e basa ma ne ko no eye kona isa se wo ya fan se wo yo wo na wo fie na ebia wo de wan hye bi se mpa enye ABCD na wa oba no oye ABCD e de na kire akwara wo te won kire ko de kire ne se ene wo bana ye dia o se mesome de mesome ye ntimi ye mo bana ye no wa anka no hwa bere na mesome wa kan bibia nti e besere o man cheche no dan da bia me ka se enya ban ato aba amane so man no ye nyina ye dia nti se ya hwe kwan ya ye be fa so e be bo aban ya ato aba ma no amana ansisi o man ya eni aye jijeje o man bo a e bo man but suban ya fa organa ha ne se anam se BBC e benye ba bedi ensatne because bibi e bisi ya se even Ghana has obi nye na yire da kra na se eni ji o mo won na ni mo anya kra na on fan so nza better
it's really that but on say sir I shall one mo ya se me about maybe some question say obi timi ko se bi economy week keke you anom MMA bi ne mai bi the sentence more than that but this emreya na adran kokufu adra by wasesana ama mrana kofu nti ebeboa
that say me kind no enam say menya judgment no
nti you don't want to
talk high ready no because the judgment have so reasons are the yes nti say
but you know no say emrana sesa
e den emrana sesa because Ghana by intimate ho ensesa emra obekwa parliament enya enwadwuma
okay
what you say nti say emrana sesa dia ene parliament ene sesa agitum omo esesa no na so parliament zunim say ade ebebo man nti no omo sesa no what you say without parliamentary approval no Ghana by intimate ho anana nadan kwa for the intimate ho ana ban bia intimate ho say wasesa mbra no se ne ope no
okay
nti say parliament gitum dia that me Ghana fo nyane ade ato ko parliamentarians no omo ye parliament mo ni see ya nine o parliament do mbe bia no mo ye no yetimu and say o ma je atum dia na say Ghana nyina na ayede aje atum a ya sasa o mo nim de because man no hu nim de nyina no o mo wo and say o mo ji tum san dia that is the bebo o man and o fu say o mo ye dia o man timi ma no si no the message say we nye entranso de ema China for no ma be gu ana and pa man fa Chinese language na ma ka be born Chinese language mo mo ti am mo ti say ade a ya start here no e bia Ghana for you say the maximum sentence or say ashan wan ni nya wanya but sing na ma say ono no e bia onya jeje ni mu adom na wanya sa anu na no che say wu sa akoya sa
ebi na bia
unya the chance ewo nti be se na Ghana for na China ni ntimi mfiri China ma e mehye me krom bodomase kuma bodomase enkotu Ghana nti wo obe kwa bodomase ni ba enso ne nsa ana Ghana ni bia no eli de mfa no enko
all right meda CP evangelist in patrol one simsim
Diane I hope say anopa me ba me mfomo ewo kwan bia so
oh ade
ya asem na mabisa ni senti ne sen edwuma yi ye ne mo ana eye me ba me dru ha 6 o'clock me the time ena eye edwuma nka metumi atena me ka no mu atwen ma MPP ni time bi open odru ha ye mienu ya but ye mbisa ye ho say ebeboa program na emmoa for instance last week I got here before 6:30 ye share program na say ye koya over 40 minutes answer MPP ni neighbor there was no hitch ene maba MPP ni mbae we bisa masem me the motivation a share na me ye sebe ye yense mre no MPP ni ne ba we bisa question no we bisa me dada but oba ya na mo mwedi nkomo na mete ahwefo no mo nyina ehwe
edi kai se me clear sana wa me kai ebisa o wastem se me pacho me question for the day na me do two dwa no edi na obeka afa ho e na wo se wo ma motivation we na dey biso enti wo kai we minim se wo dey so enti wo afa so wo dey wanu ayeden asi enti MPP ni aba e na mama na kwa aba enti ma na kwa aba na wo se me ma ono so no me question for the day no me bisa no if we say sebi senka ebia ka obeka bia kan bisa wo na no ka wo dey ni na beden e beto aso but you didn't do that me so if I mean question tight corner because me bisa akora me say baby sa wan sem pacho me question for the day then na be kan fa ho but say be so that say bro ani mo a me kunu when you man no me bisa o say me question for the day but you didn't over me me kunu but because me no ma say dey tia mama what time mama waka motivation why ya me nim say one so style what they communicate no because my I don't interrupt your motivation. I think last week I catch us say even anytime they miss your no, I will not do motivation because when you come you will do it. And to miss our question, you did not say anything about it. So I assume say you don't have interest in that one. Because in Kari bet was so. Timi MPP ni abana mbisa no. And was some money to us, then we move on because the time any juma. To Adaroma and Pam Bibi Shemi anope Wadaroma.
Man, the time is no fanka. I know.
Medasine unchemu even though I have issues yamfantonche I shall one
yeah issues on your own but this shouldn't be an issue. Adaroma yonko
I shall one ensem sema abetojwa awuraba bi a ofri China na oba o mamuha na neno with the judgment abano ema me hu say ne djuma no odie no one no ni permission no ni license ne sa no ma ni nyina na ye nyina yensu yenim yensa sensem yensu onsem ene yenkwa yensem de eye gold a yetu efoma gudi a yetu ayemfa kwan paso entu ohaw ne amane a ede ebreye na minua MPP ni ka sembi o say I shall want to me share Ghana for say wombo Ghana for bi tuo nkuo nanso court asema ekoye man ti baby a me hu baby a me ready aban the as the ball eraba no na nipakum enka ho minua otie ye MPP ni Oma bainet so ntonim sa Aisha one ama Ghana ni bi aku ni nua na ne yonko Ghana ni bi ena omode ne court ehudie na mbam mera ho say according to nua MPP ni to me sha Ghana ni manaku Ghana ni na ye kobo no kwadu no ye fa ehudie anka ho menua wona wo kan ye o MPP ana Ghana for to abama sa nkrofo we won mu di oman so ama cha ni etu mienu o se oman panyina Kufuado e kan se enam galamse so na hinie se oman panyina ne bebo no a ani emmo no me kasi supi
but sir asema o kana men kan
awole o dem ba
o bibi ka me mema no kwan manenka dia metie na react o manenka okay
achomo no ko baba be riba
okay o man panyine Kufuado minim se nsem bebre na Ghana fu ehu se na ye nsem o ka dia petumi keke na nya de o de be ye adwuma ebi ne galamse yi anope wona ehwe Kumawu TV menim se bebre ewo areas a san woma we ekoso andra multimedia eye wo program andra unity ye ni nyina efa galamse professor Frempo Boate kenashigbe empanyifo bebre a ahyasie no media no so mu say no to galamse ne saade ni nyina professor Frempo Boate no ye minister ya de sa adwumadie ni hye ne nsa and professor Frempo Boate ya je minister na free ne nsam why kan sem bebre wa ye krata bebre aba abonte ya kire se MPP mpanyifo ene ni galamse no wa bu modi ebi kura de na gina court ebi wo court sesi e kase won edi omayewu etisay you see say who say kuma obo ade eja pade tsasase nsuo kwaye ede apɛ wo ede anya wo na wondwe nkyirima ho a ɛna yɛte Ghana hai galamsey nti yɛkra nsuo ba omamu a ebinim wokɔ galamsey areas na enne we can all attribute it to galamsey ekoso Aisha one wants court nsɛm ɛba yɛ ne ndura program amehwɛ otumi kɔ baabi ka kyerɛ wo sɛ wo kokoo sɛ wafuo ne wɔ na ɔmo susu sɛ gold wɔ hɔ a ɔbɛba bɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ obehia wasase no ɛde to gold wo pini so wo ampini so wo baba na ɔde excavator esim na wo ka ne nyina agu sɛ yɛ bro na wɔ sɛ kokoo ne sɛ yɛ banche wasɛe ni nyina saa no ma we nyina ma aduane bo yɛ de anda Nanado Danko Ekufuado as president anoma we nyina akoso ene Aisha 1 ya chie no 2017 omo ahwete Aisha 1 so omo se odwane ye no koye Aisha 1 koye ya te ha fe ba ko achi ya sachi Aisha 1 wo mamu ha mini asanso ka osafo maafo asem I didn't na me nim ni tiri ne nan ne kon ne asem odi bam safo senior minister ya osafo maafo ye MPP ni ya chi Aisha 1 ko abrochire ko ka se ye de Aisha 1 tumu a de amfaso na Ghana benya esense Ghana ye ko China akoye la rasula la akosere won sika ama Ghana ni bi chaso husu bisa question wo chaso unsu no so ya MPP ne we free aya ne time party called MPP nim mpanyifu ene wo no mo hihye ne won sem kai aya ne time wajai
so NDC
ene o ya NDC ni ya happy ya ni age no because onim se party e ka no kura ya NDC and trough won so ya MPP for enti on to me ne honhom mpe ene ala nkyeremante ya na wodi na chi ene ono so afiri MPP agu mami make progress ene Aisha 1 yamano 4 years 6 months sika was otua aye 480 million madam mimi wo gold industry no 10 pounds me to me the mensafa 10 pounds sika wo benya no aye over 6 now be 620 that is 62,000 gold 10 pounds na si yehwe gold Aisha 1 ayi free asase mu a ni nyina ye mra o ye count aye de bo no I think it's about 100 count be awo de ubetua enti ye ne calculation ye kabom na ye hu sika ubetua eno nti na otua 480 million no ene yama no 4 years 6 months yes Namu kase MC Isa but and also emra no yasakire mu neno the minimum years a ubenya se ye chill say wo ye galamsey onfa wo to go don't 15 years minimum
okay
but emra de tie ne say emra nipa no kodi ibone no sam penso no emra wo ho no ana yede bono na mom enye emra ya sesemu enne even though endra na ebu ne fo no sa mre na ye chi no de bonu ko adu se wadi sa adwirim no na sentence no was about 5 years entina judge no ede sa mra na ye adwuma wa ma no 4.6 which means almost around 5 years na e won but enne say ye chiwa minimum enfie kuma akra e de be mawo 15 years enti ehonso correction e wo hono no enti omampanyina Kufuado se ba na galamsey fight ne dia oni president wa feli poto na meme hunu sector bia omampanyina Kufuado obeje ya waye niye ba bia per the figures enya meme figures figure by figure ye compare abanya abako ne dia ona bonkra ni bibia every sector metumi atena abubu every sector ama figures no ono kura na embo no emode no wonder say negana fo bebre se oma soa nsuo asoa nsa oma hunu de emu odu oma hunu wona ebe pretumi a woka no kura ene wona enka no kura na minu ye kasa osime betra mbe boba omia bi nsama america ma boba omia di ma disappoint you ba omia de oye nanado photocopy obi anani nje nanado amamu hu no I don't see why ba umia beba be ka kire so odi bibi fufuro oba so wo bibi fufuro a nye no na nka oman adru di adri even MPP for na wo se omoye worried se ba umia be ka kire omo se odi bibi fufuro oba eye galamsey fighter na oni krom ha oni ha yes yensa se Professor Frimpong Boatin ensemo ka se MPP from Flagstaff House otiye so say omu etu galamsey no dodo na of Flagstaff House ehona baumiawo ehona na nado wo ena eba for mo regional executives constituency executives to the list nya baumia onka ho onya panyini no no na be ka kire menewu a wo hwe ye nese ni akoi nyina no no di bibi foforo bi ba na wo gi ni dia mfantefo se no no de wara o wara enti galamsey samsam de ayade a obi beka se adenti ne yade ya politics ne ade but me bisaw under his excellency John Dramani Mahama ono nso etu sasa ne bi ya che China fo bebre e de won koye me metinhia so ha ya ne omo na te ha omo tonto omo agapade efi omo titimu nyina etwa ye ho yenim ne nyina John Dramani Mahama ye ewe na nado danko ekufu ado ko obo asese ono a obepe adwuma ama mbabunu NDC fo se oba obegu galamsey nokure nimu china nti na make say MPP fo de omo ka nsemo a uhu ni ti ehu ne nan e wode omo ka edi petumi na wonya tumi no so a e wode e woye nti ye nyina e wo say ya ade a ha mene wo nyina because bia Dr. Mahmoud Baumia ensu obenum enye ni sika na ode beto but me meti he mi sifom na ensu kom de me na me de mi sika ebeto nsu ene ensu obuo te sei ye betumi ahwe ye nsu aya sei no ubi Ghana water ene omo boka pa na de so ni ensu so echen emre bi atwam ni nyina ye galamsey ene se duane boa ye den galamsey ka ho ni nyina yemfa mbo na nado ene Dr. Mahmoud Baumia yemfa mbo omo because omo na tumi no ye de ahye wonsa hwe samra boy emabunu ne ya ade bia oman ye wo se ye bon abaso emre bi yete adwuma bi efra na akonta mining a omu wura sa kwaye no ekrom won babunu ka se won pene ama ye mese wo kwaye because won e wote wo home mframapa ene sa yade ni nya omo na benya omo ene omo so original oman mpanyina kufuado special prosecutor yes ohwehwem oman mpanyina kufuado be ka kire Ghana fo se samre na ogina ho kasa no akonta mining eni sa kwaye nu na ye nokra na enye nokra na ye nokra se samre na oman mpanyina kasa no na maburu no asori agina ama akonta eni kwaye nu na no nkyere se akonta nkokwaye nu akonta kokwaye nu special prosecutor ene ono nso ose waye ankonam ode ne krabo afode oye di obetumi ne mre so obekọ na onya sunkura obesu one na nado na eye adwuma enti emre enti mede manu besia Ghana fu a ehwe yen emre no so se wonyi kandini emedi oman so a between Dr. Mahmoud Baumia and John Dramani Mahama no Ghana fu obeyi John Mahama enti asampatia mede besia
meda se mere kwekwenchi na opese oyeri bata obi wo
akasa 170 minutes
mpacho minim
okay unim Diana unse ubisa masemi na mempese
no man so kakra
na me mpese be no MPP NDC
yeah
eni ntina me kan se ne tia Ghana for say at me nua yekasa wadan politics any ade ama Ghana yen kan connect you
more politicians and mona moye
there are certain things a national issue
okay
ese say the question bonkuma na say the shenifa because ya ashanwa yi ye tracy na hwe ne nsense mu a yewura mahama na kofa na ba Ghana yewura mahama ada ne ba Ghana
no call China no say Aisha Brian ko Ghana
ona ne ba Ghana ha emma ne tumi a se ne okasa no ka say otimi ba na okokofo do kura na ono atimi de ntumi pasa ase ashanwa start Ghana mze ne ne o sa tamwa na mo se mo fight Ghana mze na ashanwa ho a wo to good ijanwa what you say it is when in sense no a ye tracy a 2014 2015 enyina na Ghana ha o ye Ghana say
okay
what you say now make us a man kasa o man pani na ado say what the ne akonya to o man Ghana say
dabi
o say what the akonya no to ho so be fight Ghana say no illegal man no
impo na yento man
na yento aba man no a openesa so be kon Ghana illegal man
so o kasa nti wo say me kasa
o be fight illegal man
home say azoyo no kore na ya kan dem we shouldn't lie against somebody nti say na wo say
but o kan de Mahama ko China ko fa Aisha one by and you were quiet
mpocho so no onka de obeje na dwuma ato nti mpocho mo make a point e make a point one kashi mpocho mo anonko
enti evangelist enti the empesa yen kan say Ghana anam say bibia ye ne politics nti asem ne ba ye nka no kra ewo mu ye hu se de ye ensa enfa so ano because NDC for na ye on say ade a wonim ye Ghana ha say atro a ye ntwa efanye tumi ene ade a wo ya aye ade wo eni nti na enka na etete no na evangelist yes o tia yi can friend communicator o ni can friend propaganda secretary so oba ha na atro en no krese en ho adwuma na obe ewa ba Ghana fo hu o ma twonjiro ma dan no afra na ntema enso dada na ayese ewura mahama no dada na wacha se eti de pese Ghana fo tia se ne se NDC fo ne de emfutu ombetu ogu Ghana fo ne agi tumi na no nhwe o man koso de enhu hia o because enka we obi kra na sebesebi ka wo pese obedi tumi ne de aka wo na wo bompa yese aban wo te so no ne dwumadi a wodi no bibia anye kamama no se de be ya daachi bia ne do man hye wonsa woti ato aso afu ba bia wo no na wo mamu no wa amre se de e man pani kofo ye maamo no ehye o man Ghana edi si man ba ma panwa akonwa so edi maamo e ma wiase nyina hu se Ghana ba bia edun die ye kon kai won be fa akonya mu di hu adanse e ka che Ghana man nyina me a me wo fa kwa medofo kan wo se wo hwe efutu mu a eni se ne ye economy ne tie na o man pani kofo o manamo o ya de pa wo hye o man Ghana mai ni ra me so kan eni nanu anu nyina esi a hye ma mu nyina mu dwene nyina egui yampa aba abra MPP ba se ye petumi ne nyina yen e provide good alternative ma'am through Yewura Bawumia na Yewura Bawumia a series of the friends lectures e de kyerem da na se won kan kra so be kai yedum so enhu asem Yewura Bawumia ka che se dum so na ekoso
na se se na dum so ne de na
enye
power de na metwa me pese mo
enye power capacity na emum power generation ene how enti NDC mpesi kan create kan emfa generate power ya anti ase say da bi power capacity ni na mamari hwan so ni na power purchase agreement nei kotobe kumba ekun man Ghana ye wo light gu ho na enyusu entutu anwoka on se so to kwase na franka da on se otimi shisha na bedu ba bi na ka o movement ba kope e so o move no enipa no move a wacho diwe ka uto wanju wacho wacha ase etu u yusu wa yusu utu anwoka eni ade ekoi na afi bia no aban boka karitika ekotwa sika over 12 billion Ghana cedis yemfa light ne enyehwe what you say etie de yedim say amamuo no eye ntoaso so aban wote so tumi ye ne yie a ana wo ba wo betimi aye ne yie ne santi no yenya munya akwanya bedi so no ye pese ye beboa mo na ma show man say be ye baaye no ya mbe ampa san ke baaye no nka o manam tumi hye ne yie a e kana nan dan kokufo do baaye no e ka ba bia ye be fa o man fie ni be pepe du no ke betwam o akoye no ke bi kwa nka covid ni baaye kwa ne Ukraine to kwa entimi nkan se ne e kan ye but man timi anye ne yie ne yesa baaye be spend mre na enya na sa de hye ne yie no na du se ye pegya mu akono na covid nso abegbo mu a de besi ban shaka reade say ene Ghana ya say efe yesi eti mesre evangelist unim de pa apart from ohawa operative for the mount ni nyina ugina ba de mekwa na ya mebo aba so wutimi sori ba ebi kasa awon party eza ze kwa omodo fa so
I think so you are going personal.
Personal. Next topic.
Okay, personal issue, but I don't want to go there.
What is the personal
issue? But say, unim de. Eti me, and I won't so kwana.
We no na wo say mre.
Me pese, ya obeko obeton na ndizi for la no. As hard to now can crowd them can be a
you are still going personal.
Now making a point.
Huh?
So now making a point.
Oh, now there's a point there. Some of them make a point. Some parliament make a joke say, "She only must more kind." They also make a joke say, "Judgment make kind." But now I better. Yes, I better. I say, "You better NDC MPP, NDC MPP." You what if for Musu ATA? If you so information free your
because for that one,
because what can you na me nkwa na minim? Oh, eba sentence here by 4 years. Ampa what them am nkwa me dey agbonko to dem ampa. Say na yemra no foforo ne aye ne de. Entia ashawan za nyema se ne ehwe se betena ha ye indicate yankofo nka bae ne ka yi politics free mu na o kan se ne etie na mamamfo hu se ampa de kan no ashawan no enye se ebia aban no na efa kwagugwa se ye ma ne dwa 15 ma na kofo yesu but mba na wo ho no sama ye che no na mra no enya ndi
for now what to say your friend is say special prosecutor so to suffer MPP for Nibia omoko chichi sikawa bra omoko chaba la Saturday.
It's okay edina na I friends me deputy leader majority leader of parliament not the free out of force. O say ato prosecutor kan dey near say we finidi ayasemu
Kisi Ajabin.
Kisi Ajabin. Na woni won na. Kisi. Kisi. Wo pre o. E ba sa opese oya maga ne hu afo hu se adwuma na edition sa. Wo ye pa. Ba ho pre hu bebere na. Anything bia no. E de o how pa adwuma wo ye.
Inviting, encophobia to sustain no kwase nkeka chiche e go so no e chese opre.
Opre. E bia ne de o ya and then no so kind of press conference or yeah say the see we am kwana mana evangelist ya obeya ankwana because o pre bebre ya e bia asem bi ba kwa na obi woni nje bi ko be chokwa na onka ho asa no hwe wa be kwa akotomre ne mu a wa sa na e ma me sisiri adapa asemi bai o pre sa ma se asem e ku bia ankosisi ya because na djuma a wo ye no emrada ho enye se yesi be special prosecutor no de opbia na so ye ye o guidelines a won so de ye wadwuma ye go bia wutumi ne kopim no e ho no obi so de ye de start wo they say o kan ya de for wa wo ne ye bi wo ya na sanko ya ma wa na de for judges kana no ne press conference they say judges for kwa ina body asem kwa ye kan sem because ye kan sem ma won say mra so fa so no kwanya o so fa so ye wadwuma wo ye ne sa na ene enka bi ma ka wo ye ne sa de a ene ka Ghana fo nyina be hu za ampa de wo ye o se ye ka ma now no waten ne ebepe friends sympathy o Ghana fo atwa ko ne a chese adwuma na wo ye no wo ye ne ye ba ntimi fi na ye fi unim ye ma me sisi da pa asem me start wo pese me ka na hu de ntia me ka se wo pre no na asem ba ye Ghana ha mra wa say unu kwan say u freeze obi account more than a certain days a obekwa unsiki court approval what you say but who dey no wo ye ma na bro so 7 days wo ye ma no call say 14 days ansa na wo court enti call ye no court aka tell say da bi untimi nye saa de no untimi mfa won san to be adwapade so to that extent enti saa bi obae no udi wo for usibue court wani ansem am yesi okochi obi de also wo ya o say utimi offense isu court ma order na akochi nipa no wan fata akwanti court wan grant usibue me wa wanya appeal wan kan hwibiem the chance the court aka no saa pepepe ne wom na mo se ka ko ya tim ko challenge court ma won say asem o kan dey say na ntia e wo se me yansa wanya na obetan biti na wo ka kire kana fo toto abo ba so hwe prayer wo pray bi ani de okopre ho ma ye ma me sisi dada pa asem ya na ye hu ba bi akoya akoye se de adwuma wo ye ne unhu ne poma sibien yakoto aba memenda ade chi kwasi da na obobo amanfo di se corruption omo ai akotwetwe sky nso mutua sara mde enhwemu no ye na ka woto obokura ahwehwe mu
se bia na waye nhwehwe mehu se sika cheche bi
yeto aban
woni mo hwe no sorry prekope na okofrefrem
empre woni bi no yeto abai ade chi ya o na odidi eni ade eba bonten ebubu amanfo di so ma akodi sika se no kwa mu se nya no kwa mu na ade aba bonten edi ka onya abotre ena information onya aye etena ase hwe mu do mu sukọ ehun se asema me kan de mo no kwetodo ansana otu anama ho a kade na bese because odi bone ne ya anje wo na nje se bone na odi ye no etwamu nje se etwamu etre se ebe bi ebeche obi a no emra na de ewo bika ndike etwan egada ebia more information about me kan here because abatu ya etui ebia na woni hobi wadwuma efo obi kwa na bia anko eya atesem na woka because ontimi enti na woka no wontimi ansisu dia se ebi ma tua sika amache wo mtome se allege se omutua what you say jaji se court pe na betime ditem edi onya boche na wo hye o na ma yi a na ayede
okay
me ameti emi nuaba me ye one person mitia ayabato a edisika ahye awuram mitia den the place MPP aban so yede etia MPP as a party etia esan say enei obehu amanfo etiti parliament a emponkense say okoho ba sika bi ebedi ni botumu a otimi di influence na abato okoho ye ntino ene what parliament so ohwe ye nkanetete na efi 92 ba 96 wono mo bana look at the kind of people no mo parliament obi wo ha na ye kopa na chew enam ni ndi a wo ene ahofama a obetimi di abo o man ntino ne apa na cheso obedi anim won fa en call parliament satam no se wutum se sam de mensam no omo makaka eso original so okasa o parliament ya mo se be dia ese din
okay
na obi aye de etie no because obi e tapo nim dia o de wo enye ne nemu propaganda ne ade a ye de te parliament but enem se azikatua aba mu ntino obi etimi kotua fri bia na obeje no okọ eno kra no ensa moama enipa no bebre no madwuma mo ye no enkoyi etimi de me saa ne ma no metia pa etikama ni beti kesi pa se adwuma OSP ayi ko benya botre pa na kasa ankofu obom de ye omu ku a omu nya to ko bia no no ma bawuram ansa kra na nka obohu da wuro kwa ma Ghana for ati ba se sei no akoka ne sei ya de din abeto abonte se ya so wonhwemu ekoso bi na wo ye na cheze ngofo sika se o ma ntwa kwa ya atro ne omudia ede na obeka na ka sa baba be si se ma ya ankonam no enti mesre yeru ajaben ajaben onya potre e wono dwuma die Ghana for tanachi o Ghana for tanachi be ko Ghana ha ye ho akase a ubusa Ghana ni bia obeka chew katasehye ene proya eku omai yesika enyunugu ba bia sese ekọ na ensese ekọ ene ekuye na me de ana ha me wo ho ne se anytime bia Ghana ni bia tendency of corruption on their politicians. What's more queen kasiye a public service for no. Public service for no. And the passport office ko hade.
Okay.
Passport wa e wo say Ghana ni ba bia na nse say wo bre. And e wura ba wumi adaroma. Obetimi atena wo dem. Umpaso. No request for a passport. Amen ke e ya bro. Ya buku date also the picture. No picture. The bedroom no near for a mouth data or the bedroom personal quality. And then Tessa Utria, Efasa Quanzu Tria African Zanka passport. I didn't hear because brand new or 2 my fans or Juma also yet Jumani Triana Cabosomino. Overcon or decide Jumana or sign as I just go to Butu. It is a man about 15 million a year. Any year, I'm sabbating passport. Now, so me, I'm a fat a quine or some fast on second passport.
Sanka.
Me Sanka, of course, as I just books in New York. But to be able to just can be books for the apple chama. What I say? It is our for no share. And not send no politician would you or a bam. And not send would you. But I nipay, every time was 60 years to so call retirement. It is of course why this Edmoya. Check quine or do my Ghana fast. Oh, it is a yeah, corruption na say yeah adwen say politicians kwa na dey na be so mo so a etu ontwa da
okay
entwa da
all right
ezi message me nua ba me no say nua pani ajabe e bi kwa na me pani kwa ase je nua ajabe a empe ya ga na edi tumi ahye me sa say won hwehwe kata ase ne proyem ensem ye de e maye onya botre na oni ne dwuma ma on pe ne ho bebre
all right
kwa nya say opre ho ano e de ase no baaye no e na che say zabio onipa no udi for the oka no no kwetu do
all right
because bobo ya hye wo hye wo ya sa ko wie ba sinem di ka kan se ba bia ne tumi ne kopem no obi de ho na start enti yo kaka nyina na afi na ade ko ba bi ama ho nso akora sampa de oka ne ko na asotwe o se onipa no ye de ama no because wuntimi omran tumi ye de hye onsa wo de adwuma no wuni tumi so otwe obi aso
medase
wo sa no we mo hwehwem na hu a fama ye fense Ghana court na court we as ampa temu a prosecutor dia special prosecutor by the uji for nti o say ye twe waso wo sa
all right medase be evangelist
all right 7:27 medase from 7 to 12 Diane Minia Kennedy wakasa na ni amepesa yeti ho ase ne say no matter how personal o de wonsem be ye no emfa me ho but you should know say any problem about this oka bibi
ne ba on se me man kan o kan ti ya ma me ta me kesi na me kan se ni ko de me kan de no ho ami kan ma na yeti mi afọ ko se mo me kan wa na me kan asif that o me no woni me nya yeah asif me kan
oka bibi efa na minim se topic ayeye dum so enkam na otwe dum so NDC I was confused about the issue. It means that one and yeah, I cannot. Seven Dumso Bagana how now Rollins under PNDC and in 1995-1996 Dumso by His Excellency Jerry John Rollins Nyamefa Nekrensi and no de Abuaze power badge ebaye I be so kania no mu a ejina President Kufuor time Dumso by President Kufuor the machines be by Reku Brobe founding father of the MPP Eka said President Kufuor the toy machines you can Google and read toy machines na President Koowaa de buy and ya NDC ni na kan MPP ni now or ye head of VRA or say President Koowaa de toy machines na ba which means to me and so President Koowaa de asofo ko akosomo so mo nkobon pa ye na nsuo ni yiri. You see Tambi amode energy nsam no President Koowaa tifie no ohwe me na ere ba wu. So the machines buy the Ghana skako to no ma MPP mpanyifo say President Koowaa the toy machines na aba toy gun enkunipa toy car utinemu enye yie which means machines or the buy e can or the boy yen no dey asofo ko akosomo say dumso problem no ayam paibo. You are here talking about generation and capacity. You are confused. President Mills time, Dumso Ebai. And a yede atuabo gas plant Ebai $1 billion kopeska ebesi because Saudi machine beba ebe here gas near GB or Nigeria. And tokwasi omucha pipe man near dasum. And next had problem no. Professor Mills John Mahama time ya solve Ghana warrior gas. President Mahama Beka say Obama Dumso aye 10 of the past. Say next 7 years on. Ni edundum kania ni kan ho asema. Wo say Mahama Dumso ne dende. Mahama esolve Dumso ene ye ni sa problem no say kania dundum a mo ba mo say eye dum siesie which means enye Dumso. Bawumia eka say Mahama solve Dumso a 23rd March 2016 Google Ose Mahama emfata abaso bobia so wa solve Dumso a but Ghana for de ye nim so ofata abaso bodie Chairman Sabonsu ose Mahama e solve Dumso eno so monte munni hwe ka Ghana for mo mmese ye abrabo app wo ba na obeka Dumso mediama wo ho no Diane eye ensama menua yi ka efa OSP ho Special Prosecutor Office no kran nipa o share bo so de beba ye nanado danko akufuado o tiye o de matena midu ena ye first Special Prosecutor e wo Ghana ha matena midu jai na adwuma to ho de nti na ojaye ekoye na ne 7 years amrade ama na enso ye o se nanado eye mother serpent of corruption kata se proye kankan ne maame ne papa ne nana eye nanado danko akufuado enunti eno de adwuma ne to ho eno kire mu se ebi wo ofie kura na ken oforiata atoa na ofio wan ne ken oforiata finance minister nanado abusuani a MP ska se yempam no wabon oda ho ate ho ono ne penso as finance minister yenim o mai sikasem saye asai Matinami do say Nanado is the mother serpent of corruption. Kata sishe proye kankai adokro Nanado ene nabai ono na etesoro ene owu ne ma corrupt Ghanaians egu asiye MPP for Matinami do ko ya de kisiye jabin aba ene wote ha oh kisiye jabin na woni Special Prosecutor kredi oh kisiye jabin den na kisiye jabin onyamo Yao Domilevo, former Auditor General, or say, Wananado Amemuomo. We are wadrin sa obeko ketase shebekun. Yao Domilevo so more pamono maneko. 2 years after court say the Nanado ye and a nim and famrem, which means Nanado de onwa pe eno motete papa na pamono. And I know so unim facts no. Enti sa wo ba ko ketasehye na ketasehye bekun wo na wuntumi survive who is the mother serpent of corruption according to Martin Abi Nanado enti Nanado de woni ne ye adwuma na wo ye wadwen se wo ba ko ketasehye me say you will not survive it and na kisi ajaben asama ode abetudwa wo say onye den memenda na MPP fo koto omaba eyi one parliamentary candidate war orphan constituencies omo ewi ni ye bo omo abaso omo elusu it is mark okreku mantemo omo so emfa omani wuo nkope ba bi ntra ye nyina ye lusu elections pa enye enkum nipa ni ewo mu ni omo koto aba no video bi me wo ewo me phone no so amanfo yisika ebi kura osika no enkowo botom envelopes akese omo na omanim. This is the story. OSP woko ne page ho a sankrofo na ewo video num omanim ana ye twetwa ana wafre omo se osusu se etiamra se wo koto aba wo begiska ana so obi be ma osika se fa koto aba etiamra eye nokre enti sankrofo no omomra mbebuwa no mane yenhwehwemu MPP yati o mamu ha amanfo osun sika nwayeden sa sika ne wo MPP fo ho a omode to aba anu nti Saturday no video na bedadwa na special prosecutor kwasiada omode samrantie na ewo video no mu a omoji sika akase so omaboa no mane nyanhwehwemu enti se ba mra kwan mu a ye betumi ahwe that side madam yembisa ye ho se obi wo video mu no se Kennedy amani sika enie sika nie waje sika no na ye frɛ no se omra mechirem no kɔ no se Kennedy edeneka ene watua emra be na bechi no eho no emra bi antumi nchi nipa no hwɛ dwaben omuko yi MC. You know the story. MPP chairman otuatua sika onim se ono ne omaji ni sika MPP fo ni sika about corruption ne sakata se hye ne de eye wo nsu ni wo mbaye oji sika no omotutia no. There was a video, I have it. Chairman no nanti omo so se omofa ni sika ma no omofa ni sika special prosecutor invite no yembisa special prosecutor say kosi say how many years old? Almost 2 years in Jabini na friend no kosi say ye Ghana fonte hwohwe ni nyina ya MPP abato eni sikasem tui a mo de petu mi ena nipa sisi nso ede abedadwa many lawyers bebre edi nkomo ebi nso akasa o media no omo say ebeye den se kisi ajaben betumi epino but mra ensi ni kwan se onye nhwehwemu mra bi ensi ni kwan so omukọ no omukọ kase eye kabi ana obi di on ana watuya ma omo a emra ntumi nya omo hwe nyame na me ma omo ideas seba ni omo obi ska ne di oje ya se wo pen corruption na you need a very solid, tight evidence. Now, what to me, at the opinion, because the orgy is kana kase, ayo no sika, and answer or the jano, and or dinner the amano, and will be a channel video so. What ye then a buana for? Yanshe, as enough video sounds so by John Boadu, or former general secretary, a comma pulling agent to be sika. Ana NDC tama yeto aba now ana NDC agent ni hu se John Boadu aba ho wa ma pulling MPP pulling agent ni sika ana draw police for attention ana police ni ne ko ho ana ko gi sika no MPP agent na se ma oka yes the video is there menua ehu I can pull it for you NPP agent na ye disika no ma John Boadu disika o si ni nua ne John Boadu ni nua panyine no na because oye agent adwuma no ohun ni biom ansa na wasa akọ enkrai enti ni sika odi ama no eni abato ni eni hu hwe okay oka asemoi we oka kirewa wo de ne kogina court ye bisa John Boadu onu so say ai ni nua kuma no na ohun no enti no disika na ama no but police ni no samre na NDC ni no draw attention police ni no koji sika no efra brantie no I'm sure say by now or the sika ama no omukan akoya busu asem amra bi antia but empire he ana yebeda ye ho. This is not a time for MPP NDC Yama special prosecutor no enye na adwuma. Even though oko court or the insembebre ene betu dwa obekọ court no na ase wadi ntwo ebi yese court na kire mu se te se Kenel Damoa Labianca case no Labianca no kra Ghana ni baby sa wai ne hwan ewra baby a na adwuma din de Labianca okra no ma enkukofunu ba o mamu ha oye Council of State member omo etu nanado fo no maame ne ka ho ono sutu nanado fo odisa nkukofunu ne baaye no ana ebeda adwa se eto a wo so otua no wantua ni nyina pepepe na isusuye kire se mpanyinfo bi a wo customs eye Kenel Damoa mo ama maame no entua Kenel Damoa inso eye MPP ni ono so yama na appointment. I don't have any problem with it. OSP no eye se obeye hwehwemu no o starting hwehwemu maame no kotua sika over 1 million cedis dem abai, which means a hono kra no wagye atum se de Ghana fo kan ne ye no kra se OSP na nko sa asemi we hu a ka maame otu o mampanyine kofu o mampanyine kofu adofo no enka sa sika watena so wakra no ma aba ne e wo so otua no wantua sa maame we kotu o mampanyine fo.
Okay.
OSP nhwehwemu no esan so court say OSP any kwan
20 minutes
jurisdiction as a watrashie but Ghana for ntiase yese watrashie na nkire se boni bi enko so.
All right.
Na emom court ni susu se ba bia waye adwuma aduru no ye wodam hayi aha na camera ne cover de ekoso production me ntumi nsore nwura production room ho out of bounds. Even though my buffy ha emrama me kwai say studio ha baby a meni wuti
okay
ana me be kasa me to me nko production room out of bounds. Right. What you say enti aba mra na yensu anya bibia na ye yentutungum ne yensai nipa kisi ajabe nso wo ne personal integrity kisi ajabe mu amunim no ye anas lawyer anas na nanado ka se Ghana for to abama no a obe yusu ekwaya anas faso echeche omo a eye niemfra no sa kwai no so e de aye adwuma ene anas owai
so de wanu si no
medema no esi no Ghana for ehunu se eduru no ma bia se politics baby eduru abeye very expensive.
Okay.
Eye delegates system no ena emma saade wei ekoso enti political parties no dodo no se wo bie wa bato wei no ma senya na obetumi atuya ba se ye nipa kuma bia obetumi atuya mana bro so se ne MPP omo Saturday abai omo tuya ya ma ebi envelope akasi ebi dia kura sika no nko no botom sa no ma wei nyina ye kata asehye proye kankan adokro MPP ne aban enti woda mase no mesre ye nyina ye mmoa na ye ntu kata asehye ene proya asese ye betumi ayesa e wo se 7 December 2024 yato yabama NDC ni yato tia NPP.
Okay. Ono
kasa no wabam but mesa abam bio
but me kofa me calls
21 minutes
but ntia na
just 1 minute
na mensu menya 1 minute why na mensu menya 1 minute
let's go
na mensu menya 1 minute mensu menya ya desire dia na mesro mensu menya 1 minute wo fi me dan emfi
evangelist mpocho
maybe sawaje emfi
mpocho mo nwie ai na yenko
it's simple
evangelist sane me wabrosu why communication yache
why are you going personal 1 minute ka WhatsApp me sere ma de no
21 minutes na me
me kasa 21 minutes so nka no kre yemfa college
I don't like this thing
idea me pese evangelist tia say say a power generation is different from power
you are going
capacity and tia say
man chiro sama chiro
yeah na to say what your friends say credit
okay we are mesmenya one
I will phone so na wo phone ase credit na wo phone so na dey na de be
okay
what you say woni bibi antimi nti wo betime use ayi na credit na aje say wonya phone foforo
exactly
na wetima use credit na wo so sanete Ghana light ya wo se ehia wo Ghana ha na use no ye wo mane bro so pe ba bia Ghana wo light wo bia Ghana ha bia kro bia light wo bia de o se use o se kro ya Ghana ha nya use light na capacity no e bia 1000 megawatts ha ye wo 2000 e wo that means 1000 na wo na ss e na ne enya konya etumbi ma Cote d'Ivoire na Burkina Faso ofo no what you say but nam say machines ya be ma sa light na me enya sa 1000 no ana 2000 no and akade e bi na mention say gas ne crude na ade o say di bum ne power machines no ye ni sa crude o di machines is wo a entimi nya dwuma ma light what you say and no ne kind generation is all the power no with the crude no egu machines no power na generate light na obetima use na ma machines no wo ne capacity no what you say so won ti ase a ma menche wa say and no na ne e catch am say light o electricity for kwa catch yisi di for catch say no and light capacity na eni o capacity no wo but ne ma o the power mo machines na dey and na eni ho wo ka kofo de kofo sata na koso mo no koso mo awe and no kwa ne eye ye pen say
yi asafo na bompa
ema light de akoso mo wuye no every year no nti omo ntimi nya e wo se machines ni bi de e kofom omo shutting down de wo ho no ntimi produce light man ntina na e da dunsu no but mo mpani kofo sata mi ehia another capacity enti ema na ko to sata ma plant na de ade a enam so ama ye se enye buidam no what you say eti we na e bae no sata na buidam wo koso mo ho we wo bia no na nya de a wo se ehia se esa akopɛ light capacity asa
sa
ye kopa be ka ho no e de ka de bre ye e na MBB bae your machines no ye use because crude ne gas ne ade o
all right I can tell me mama me collect ne onko
dan ye ko me de manusi me say emergency chat say be try ha anya me no
ebusia for me
atiefo ye for ni bi
no MC for mo fa number no so na
me da se wa mama
ye nya
me calls no na ye onko 02026684
because me say na me wunim say me say na me ka say no ya
mama me fa me calls
e betime but esa
mo ma na fake calls no so
mpama chobe Brian
on so baba dan ho ne
couple of minutes
ehun asem o that
o ma program no koso
ehun asem o that me hu ye we
I'm just quiet for everybody to make me pamata
wona watwe
well I'm on campus to say good morning Obapa on Fadia Diane and your crew good morning to you as well Koowaa says that please good morning please where is Bishop this is Yvonne Mensah this is good morning sweetheart Diane and your team keep up the great work. Good morning, Evangelist. Please let the MPP man make his point and stop the political. Okay, sir, and I'll show you. This is from Yvonne Mensah Pacho. Me live it will fit TVG, so you can also join me there, and then you see the comments for yourself. This is from Yvonne Mensah. That says, Evangelist, please, do you actually have evidence of what you are saying about the MPP paying money for people? So please wait for the prosecutor to bring the evidence.
Good morning.
Okay, I'll come back. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I shall one uncle.
Pacha, the first thing about president of
Pacha, one uncle.
Let us say, maybe I'm a MP before me problem power money. Understand? No MP ni kata or say Mahama or Kofa Dusha no. Power back now Kofa ba no. I'm going to come more so higher than Kama so stand tap let down mamo and so power back no so yes, me no pay out krima ana akware ade no me dey saba ba na anya no omo ka dey omo ba fa ma anya ko so every fire you do ma yes me no pay out I saw na so some is there me enti ho ma nya kan papa ade nti na Ghana ni oko ye be so election no They might want to me. Tell them what to Koowaa. I don't know to call what on. Because I know everything. Scabetters, I see you, Mama. Scabetters, we make a bank quiet. I'm not a penny say. About what party is going to say. They can say Scabetters to make you. I don't know. Scabetters, that's a yano. I'm the quiet then. Oh, when you are. I don't know position to me so empty what happened to me. Therefore, woman empty before no one says I saw. I hope that the community, the true then I say a caca. That is what I'm going to hear. Because I never put what they can attend prayer. Yes, my mother is a bad cross. Oh, my moi, I'm coffee. We shall get me all the way to bye.
Bye. Yeah, that's it. Also be to journey 02026684661. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay, when to me engineers are still on Facebook Live, I have this message that said that if you ask me, NDC and MPP are all the same. I have some SMS here. Mami Fakola, maybe I will come and read the SMS from BB and Kelly. Hello, good morning. Maybe I showed you, baby, I'm friend. Pacho, it's you, Ano. Pacho, man, so Kakramento on Kakrana and Koowaa Roma. Maybe I show Mama me different caller. I can't hear you, and so things the way you point. I don't understand. Hello, good morning. Okay, 0202668461 also be to me Alfred na Yako. I come in 7 minutes. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Maybe I show Dini baby I will frame me free.
That's all again, Alfred. I can't that month.
I can about you to pay.
Good morning.
Alfred,
hello.
Mentio on your Koowaa Roma.
That's okay.
Pacho mo anonko. Me pacho mo anonko.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, madam.
Me pacho mo anonko. Didn't make that friend me.
It's a beautiful day. You see our mind. Let's see what I said about in the group. In the other country. Who goes to the I want to look at it. So we don't know what it is. Who can tell? But I'm going to swap. Scabetters now more no contract Juma. And my scabetters have no give no requires you. What is scabetters now watching? I keep following a new clear down to feel any cool. It is a power on the my Ghana air fashion. For the dear sound of my Ghana air fashion.
All right. Okay. I say quite ben na on person de Ghana for a first so I think say I don't go for the one baby you know. Also be free. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Mami Ghana. Pomokore.
Nyankopon adom pacho me ho ye na nso e.
Ye ho ye, you say Ghana for bre ye dey say we ti ye go na. It is so obi megira so o studio ono of the defend MPP a. Na me dey me so o ye Ghana for some. I'm telling you.
Oh, yanko pacho. Oh, because I say deal. So how can you make your point? Pacho people frame me. I'm so. I had to no television, no form. Now yet me at on can I fair. Why, Mr. Was 6 more minutes to go. So you can also call me and make your points. You're live on Facebook. Koowaa TV GH. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, that's a break. One on Koowaa.
I'm within the Nigerian man, the Kasafi at Suma Unity.
Nigerian man.
I'm a penny more about you. I mean, more NDC communication officer, no more about you. Wakasa, but trains the most of the Ghana for Ghana for Atia. Now, NDC, why campaign Kasia Padia Mandis in Timmy, we are not one Abaso. If he said, Wakantama, your party say you Trisika, and they are not delegates. And they are sure my Kakata, so they be a free year, and then they be a party year. Because why is that mean this and we need to Saturday more qualified? Oh, Ghana, how many say? From 2001, I be back. This is 2007. Emma, Ghana, your party say you Jessica, and your ma delegate. Mom, they are Otwaba. Amain. Then Messia, yes, so many can yes, on your teacher. Near Sankeke, about me for email to my. It is ethically about one minute, you might have said a woman, not them for maybe a maybe ya, or man young one Ghana. The Yamia South Korea is not well as soon as I have a Bosnia. Yana also a man. In a car of electricity. Electricity, while Katawa case to support. Saying I'm not the excellency John Dramani Mahama by your power in your Yam and Abroso. Yes, I say, I will tell you about Panabaso. If you say, I don't come here, then it's Yamania, or how be a king like the Papa Power, your business should be a boy. And if you ever say, when I don't go without the name of Pama Mudu, and he's having your mom with the Ghana for all any day. That's probably the gentleman. The mission the gentleman, your Japanese account on person of a man found the man among for we know honestly and stand to our mom made the create. And that the Ghana was your tongue Ghana. You do basic among you might have the Cocotra. The best for Ghana for send a television John Dramani Mahama, all vision, the need to do not that maybe not air by the Vietnam. Ghana for you could call me one among two Abamano. When you say to Abama Papa, what to a month after that in a man and country in the
so may I say me for last caller if possible na I feel no ya be wrap it up with studio and to also with me afre last caller na yenko hello last caller good morning pacho wana mneka say ya bwan pacho insi wano pay mpacho you be kind of chiro nti mo anu ko mpacho yate enti no pe na okay work out. All right, thank you so much. I think say you're coming for Kobia Ebiumo. I come in 3 minutes. I'm in my studio. I'm going to pacho ye call. Evangelist, why are you doing this? Oh, Bianco. I know man is to come on. Okay. Okay. Me da si bebre me da si evangelist mpacho ye ko onye mpacho na ye nteme amen 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 me da si evangelist mpacho ye nko mpacho waka se wi mira evangelist mo anonko ye ko ebrena so
dan me da si na menda ahwefo so ase mo frɛ ye no ye mo yate mo asɛm ye bɛkɔ so yaka mo asɛm ama mo Ghana ye ne wo dia ma memfa saa kwan we so na memo hye wo producer Mr. Jake Azantilo a special happy birthday to you my brother. You are such a fantastic man, selfless wo homo obia wuti obia enti se na ye wa da mempa bo ne se nyame be ma won fie bebre na ode ahoden be ka ho ne awohwehwe bia nyankopon mede migidie kan wo gidie ho ye de to awurade ani mo onye ma nyame nhira obia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama se o ma wa woda pa na ochia Ghana fo nyina enche bia baabi a wo bia no obeba ho no wabetie wo nso wasem na motoma na ode aye adwuma o se ndwuma de bebre eba 24-hour economy ye beye adwuma 24 hours 8 hours 8 hours 8 hours emprensa nti mbabunu mo aniso ade hunu ebebam mo nso nkrofo ka no mbenya sika tobi krofo wedding mo benya sika ye bi nyame nhire obi a
Ebusa for your cordial happy birthday Koowaa Jake. Jake. Happy macho many more why Mr. Mama wrap it up na me so
kan wase.
Me ba cho bebre madaro ma mo interrupt me I can't do when you dey na yiti. Mo wie mo dey enti me wrap it up. You should just keep quiet. I don't like what you people are doing. Ebusa for your happy birthday Koowaa Jake of course and na woda producer for the show Nyakopo Nyumfa Domo. Production crew for this morning, executive producer for the show, Samdaku, Sansuna Kwesiadmaku Jr., director, famous, and then Faisal, woman, and I Ebomechidom, MCR, Mr. Diane, Edwin, of course, about Don Quiet Shame Kumasi, 104.1, Medi Kumasi, Kwansu Jumediano, so, Ebeba Besimo. Have a good day. Bye.
Oh, how to make for Dory for bigger plus amount. Sell J1 a boost to